I send detailed reports of our campaign to our team in just one simple click. Now that might sound flashy to you, but my friend, that's actually possible just by creating a workflow inside Pabbly Connect. You can see I have created this workflow. With the help of this workflow, every time inside my Google Sheet, I had all the details about my campaign. Automatically, with the help of OpenAI, a detailed report gets generated and it automatically also gets sent to my team inside this Slack channel. I know that you must be doubting me. So let me show you a quick demo to show you that this is actually possible. So this is my Google Sheet, and in here I will quickly add the details of our new campaign. So for that, I just have to paste these details in here. Here I have added all the details about my new campaign, including the date, campaign name, ad spend budget, leads generated, sales generated, and revenue. Now inside my Slack channel, you will see instantly I just have to refresh this page, and in here you can see this is the detailed AI campaign performance report, where you can see all the details about the performance of this campaign are added successfully, and this got generated just with the help of this small workflow that I've created inside my Pabbly Connect account. So you have seen the demo. Now I hope that you believe me. Just like this, you can also create an amazing workflow inside your Pabbly Connect account so that you can also send such automated reports to your team. Now I know that you want to learn how to create this automation inside Pabbly Connect. So you just have to wait for 10 more minutes. I will explain you entire process right here. For that, first of all, let me help you navigate to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect. Then you will get directed on the landing page of Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In here, to create a connection, you have got these two different options, sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user, click on this sign up free button and create your free account, where you will get 100 free tasks every month that Pabbly Connect gives to every new user. With the help of these tasks, you can easily create some workflows inside your Pabbly Connect account for free. But if you want to get more tasks, you can anytime upgrade to the premium version of Pabbly, where you just have to pay once to get lifetime access at Pabbly. So if you are thinking to buy premium subscription of Pabbly, you can also use this coupon code JAIYD to get an exciting discount on our pricing plans. I will add this coupon code in the description box of this video, so you just have to copy it from there to use it. Now, if you are an existing user inside Pabbly Connect, click on this sign in button. You will get directed inside this all apps page of Pabbly. In here, Pabbly has this 7 amazing and powerful applications. But today we are going to use this Pabbly Connect. That's why we have to click on this Access Now button. Finally, we will get directed inside this dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Inside this dashboard, on the right side, we have this button of create workflow, by clicking on which we can start creating our workflow. And on the left side also, we have this folders button. By clicking on this plus button, you can create folder for yourself, and in that folder, you can store your workflows to stay organized. Now we have to start creating our workflow. So for that, we have to click on this create workflow button. Here these two workflow builders are in front of us. So from here, we have to select one workflow builder. Both of these are amazing workflow builders. First one is our new beta version and the second one is our classic version. You can select any one of them as per your preference, but I will select this new beta version because I am more familiar with this version. So I have to select this. Then inside this dialog box, we have to give a meaningful name to our workflow to recognize it later. So I will name it as Growth Spark AI Business Report Generator. Then from here, we have to select the folder in which you want to save our workflow. After selecting this folder, you just have to click on this create button to start creating your workflow. You will get directed on this new page where you can start creating your workflow by integrating multiple applications. You can see at first this trigger is visible to us. This trigger is like the event with the help of which we want to kickstart our workflow. For my trigger application, as I want to trigger my workflow as soon as a new row is added inside my Google Sheet. That's why in here for my trigger application, I will select this Google Sheet. We have to click on this plus given here. Then from this search box, we have to search for the application that we want to select. But this Google Sheet is visible right here. So I will select this as my trigger application. Next, we have to also select our application event. So from this drop down, we have to select this new or updated spreadsheet row because we want our workflow to get triggered every time a new row is added inside our Google Sheet. Now we have to create a connection between Google Sheet and Pabbly Connect. For that, we have to press this connect button. Then you will receive these two different options: add new connection and select existing connection. In here, if you want to create a connection for the first time, select this add new connection, but if you have already established your connection, you can go with this select existing connection. So I will show you how to create a connection for the first time. That's why I will select this add new connection, and then I have to press this sign in with Google button. On the left side, Pabbly Connect has detected my account, so I will select my account from here. Then inside this next page, I just have to scroll down and click on this continue button to grant Pabbly Connect access inside my Google Sheet. And there is no need to worry, as your data with Pabbly Connect is absolutely safe. After creating connection, you can see we have successfully received this webhook URL. So we just have to copy this URL from here, and then we have to follow the steps given here to successfully integrate this webhook URL inside our Google Sheet application. But as I know these steps, so I will show you directly. You just have to log in inside your Google Sheet, and you can see this is the sheet that I have created. So at first you have to create your own sheet, and then you have to click on this extensions given here. First of all, you have to go inside this add-on and select this get add-ons. In here, we will install Pabbly Connect webhook inside our Google Sheet. For that, you just have to search for this Pabbly Connect webhook here. So we will search for it, then it is visible here. We will select this. After that, you can see this is already installed inside my Google Sheet. But at first, you have to install this Pabbly Connect webhook inside your PC. After you have installed it, you have to again click on this extension. This Pabbly Connect webhook will be visible to you on the bottom. So you have to go in this and select this initial setup. Then this box will appear in front of you. In here, inside this webhook URL box, we have to paste the webhook URL that we have copied from Pabbly Connect. So in here, I will paste this webhook URL. Then for this trigger column, we have to add the last column of our Google Sheet. So here, last column is F inside my Google Sheet. So in here, I will type down this F in capital letters. Now we have to click on this send test button. After that, the data added inside this first row of my Google Sheet will get sent to my Pabbly Connect as a test response. So I'll click on this send test button, and here you can see this data is sent successfully. Now I will just submit this connection. You can see my setup is configured successfully. Now we have to cut this step. We again have to open this extension, go on this Pabbly Connect webhook and click on this send on event, so that every time a new row is added inside your Google Sheet, all that data will get sent to Pabbly Connect automatically every time. You are not required to manually send test every time. We have added this detail. Now let us go back inside our Pabbly Connect account, and in here you can see I have successfully received the response that was added inside the first row of my Google Sheet. This means that my trigger step is working all fine. Now I have to work on my action application. For my first action application, I will use OpenAI, where I will add a prompt with the help of which I will generate a detailed performance report. For that, I have to click on this plus given here to add one action application. Now in here, we have to search for this OpenAI. So we will search for it. Here it is visible, so we can select this. Now for this application event, we have to search for ChatGPT. So I will search for this ChatGPT, then I will select it. Now we have to also create a connection between OpenAI and Pabbly Connect. For that, again we have to press this connect button. You will see these two different options again: add new connection and select existing connection. This time also I will show you how to create a connection for the first time. That's why I will select this add new connection. Now we have to add this token. So to get this token, at first you have to get a paid subscription of OpenAI. Then you have to click on this hyperlink given here. You will get directed on this OpenAI platform. In here, you have to click on this create new secret key if you have not already generated a secret key for yourself. So you have to click on this button, give a name to your key if you want, and then press this create secret key button. Your secret key will get generated, so you just have to copy this from here and paste it inside this box and press this save button. After that, your connection will get created successfully. Now in here, I will add my own OpenAI key, then I will save this step. You can see my connection is created successfully. At first, we have to select this AI model. So for this AI model, I will search for this GPT 5.2 because I want to select it. But you can select any other model as per your preference. So we have to select this model. Then in here, we have to add our prompt with the help of which we are going to generate a detailed performance report. So this is the prompt that I have added here. You are a digital marketing performance analyst. Analyze the following campaign data. These are the static details. Now in front of them, I will map the details of my customer by using mapping. So I will map them later. First of all, you can see my prompt: generate a structured report including campaign performance summary, cost per lead, conversion rate, ROI, insight, recommendations for improvement. written a professional report suitable for sharing with a marketing team. If you want, you can also use this prompt for you. I will add this prompt in the description box. Now let us map the details here. First of all, we have to map the name of our campaign. To map data, we have to press this slash button. Then from this drop down, we can easily select the data which we want to map here. You can see from this drop down, I will search for the name of my campaign. I can also search for it. So I will just type down this campaign in here, and here this name of campaign is visible. We have to click on this and it is mapped successfully. Next, we have to map this ad spend. So for that also, I'll again press this slash button. I will search for this ad spend, then I will select it. For this lead generated, we have to search for this again, and then we have to select it. For this sales generated also, I will search for this sales generated and I will select it. For this revenue, we again have to search for this revenue from here, and then we have to select it. We have successfully mapped all of these following details. Now here I have used mapping to fill up these details instead of typing them manually, because by mapping we can make our data dynamic. It means that whenever Pabbly Connect will detect any new data, it will automatically update the old data with the new captured data. But if I will type down these details manually, like if I will add the name of my campaign manually, then every time that response will remain same until we change it manually. So this means that to allow our data to get changed automatically, we take help of mapping. And in here, we also have to maintain a strict rule, like if I want some data to get remain static, then I will type it down manually. But if I want some data to get changed automatically, then only I will use mapping to map that data. I have explained you mapping, and I have also added this prompt successfully. Now I just have to press this save and send test request button. I have received this response, and inside this message content, I have received the content that I can map inside my next step, where I will send this message to my team inside my channel that I have created on Slack. So we have to cut this step, and in here we have to add our last action application, Slack. For that also, we have to click on this plus button given here, search for this Slack from here. This Slack is visible here, so we have to select this. Then for this application event, we have to select this send channel message, because you want to send a message inside our channel. Now we have to press this connect button to create a connection between Slack and Pabbly Connect. So I will click on this button. From here, again, I will select this add new connection, because I will show you how to create a connection for the first time. Now we have to press this connect with Slack button. In here, we have to add the token type. Here this text is written, enter the token type as either user or bot. Check the documentation to find out how to get it. In here, I will type down this bot as my token type. If you want to learn in detail about why I have used this bot here and what you can use it for yourself, you just have to click on this hyperlink to learn more about this token type. I have added this. Now I'll just save this step. On the left side, I just have to select my workspace, and then we have to click on this allow button to successfully create my connection. You can see my connection is created successfully. Now we have to select this channel ID and message. First of all, I will select this general channel ID that I have created inside my Slack account. You can see here this general channel ID is visible. So I have selected this. Next, we have to add this message which you want to send inside our channel. So for this message, I will just map the response that we have received from this OpenAI step. So this is our message content. I will select this and it is mapped successfully. I will skip these remaining fields as these are not mandatory, and I'll directly press this save and send test request button. Instantly, you will see that this message is sent successfully because we have received our response as true. Now let us open our Slack account, and in here we just have to go to the bottom, and you can see this new report, Facebook lead campaign performance report, is sent successfully inside my Slack channel. This means that I have successfully completed the creation of this workflow, with the help of which you can send automated reports to your team about your campaign. And that's it for this video. I have successfully demonstrated how you can create this AI business report generator automation inside your Pabbly Connect account for your business. If you want to use my workflow, then for you, I will add a link of this workflow in the description box so that you can use it from there. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your team members. And you can post your doubts in the comment box. My team will help you instantly. At last, just a quick reminder that if you are thinking to go premium, don't forget to use this coupon code JAIYT to get an exciting discount on our yearly and lifetime subscription plans. Thank you for watching this video till end. Not just these, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com and you can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you have to check this particular website. So, what are you waiting for? Just go and automate your business with the help of Pabbly Connect.